Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another new picture description. Title is A Kind Act on the Street. The picture shows a young man and an old woman crossing the street. The young man is wearing a yellow hoodie. The old woman is wearing a green sweater and a pink skirt. The old woman has white hair and glasses. She is holding the young man's arm while walking. The young man is helping her cross the road safely. He is holding a white shopping bag with a loaf of bread inside. Both of them are smiling happily. The crosswalk lines are clearly visible on the road. There is a black cat walking on the footpath. There is a potted plant with green leaves on the left side. A butterfly is sitting on one of the leaves. The traffic light is behind them on the left side. The signal light is red. There are some green trees in the background. The sky looks clear and blue. On the right side, there is a coffee shop. A board outside the shop shows a coffee cup sign. The board says, "The coffee costs 5 cents." There is a big dustbin beside the coffee shop. A paper cup is lying on the ground near the dustbin. A street lamp stands near the coffee shop. The young man is wearing blue and white sneakers. The old woman is wearing brown shoes. She is carrying a brown handbag. The young man looks kind and polite. The old woman looks happy and thankful. The scene shows kindness and respect for elders. It is a bright and cheerful day in the city. Questions and answers practice related to the picture. Question 1. Who is the young man helping? He is helping an old woman crossing the street. Question 2. What is the young man carrying in his hand? He is carrying a shopping bag with a loaf of bread. Question 3. What color is the old woman's skirt? Her skirt is pink. Question 4. Where are they walking? They are walking on a zebra crossing. The last question is, what animal can be seen on the footpath? A black cat can be seen on the footpath. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to the channel for more picture description.